Hello everyone, sanibonani, dumelang, absheni, molweni, thobela, lochani. I hope you all good people out there. Welcome to 105 online channel. In this channel, we are bringing you celebrity news, entertainment news and gossip celebrity news. If you are new into this channel, please subscribe and hit that notification button. Hey good people, today I am bringing you the latest update of the president of the country, Ciryl Ramaphosa. Today, Ciryl Ramaphosa is trending on Twitter, and tweets, most of them are not happy, but others agree with him with regards of Jacob Zuma's arrest. I will just read the comments of what people are saying. Someone tweeted, Zuma was arrested for being contempt with the courts, not because of #Ramaphosa. You break the law, you get punished. South Africans, you need to grow up and learn to put your emotions aside. Zuma was disrespectful to the constitution. He sought to protect. Other one said, a very sad day indeed in South Africa. It really shouldn't have ended this way. Msholozi, had you just appeared before the Zondo Commission. #Zuma arrest, #Ramaphosa, #Jacob Zuma, #Nkandla. Others really didn't like the outcome of the former president Jacob Zuma being arrested. One commented and said, ANC politician #Ramaphosa with a net worth of 6.4 billion, all thanks to capitalism, political influence and capitalist exploitation, now promotes socialism as the means to overcoming economic oppression, which has historically never ever happened. Someone was also praising Zwanele Manyi and commented, but we must also give it to voice in South Africa. And I have just realized that when he managed to make a lot of us doubt that merits of #Zuma arrest last night, #Jacob Zuma arrest, #Ramaphosa. One said, as an ANC member in good standing, I now pronounce that my vote for #ANC is suspended. By @ANC Johannesburg, @Gauteng ANC, #Ramaphosa, #Zuma arrest. And all those who've been calling for @press JG Zuma cannot continue being my leader. What do you think about the #Jacob Zuma arrest? Please leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can get more news on this channel. 105 Online channel loves you. Bye good people.